Okay guys, good to see you again. Today we're going to be talking about views. And what are views? Views are how I see my graphical representation. Okay, yeah, I have my objects. You can see my objects, how they are presented. But if I go to my view menu, I see the different views that I have. First of all, I'll choose to enhanced. I'll choose to use the wireframe view, and I'll be seeing all my objects in a wireframe. And why is wireframe important? Wireframe is important when you're creating a graphics design for projects that needs to be precised. You see, with my wireframe, I know that my objects are not snapping. My object is far away from each other. My anchor points, are far away from each other. So with the wireframe, I can see very clearly what I'm doing because I'm playing with the wireframe objects. So I still come over here. So it's mainly used for projects where you need to clearly view or where anchor point registrations are very important. So that's it. Let's say for this project, I need my anchor points to be at the same point. Can use the wireframe view, and that's for the wireframe view. So I have other views. I can say drafts. Click on draft. Draft tells you what your objects are in a draft mode, and this is good for you to see what your shapes are, what you have. But most times I don't actually use it. I often use the wireframe type. You can see the normal view, but if you notice something in the normal view, my object seems to be seem pixelated, but this normal view lightens your artwork by using lesser of your graphical processing units, your GPU in your system. So you have your system is not graphics enabled or does not have more graphics memory, you can use this to minimize your RAM usage. So you can also use the enhance. The enhance gives you how it looks. You can also look at it in pixelated format if you wish. And these are the three types of view that are here. And also under the view menu, you can choose to see your document grids. It shows you the grids around your document, and this if you're working precisely with giving grid sizes and shapes, they can help you, but I don't use them. But that gives you most times. Then I have my rulers, which you can see here, up and down. I have my guidelines too. And how do I bring out these guidelines? I click here. These guidelines help me in aligning my document or certain parameters on my document. Okay. Maybe you're working with more than one page document. Click on more page, you see that this gives me a kind of a parameter to work with, and these are the importance of using your grid lines and your guidelines and your rulers. Hope to see you guys again. cannot hear from me. Subscribe and see more of our videos. Thank you.